Hi, good afternoon, friends. Today I have been dictating that about Constitution. What is meant by Constitution and what roles it plays. Now, introduction to polity, Indian polity, Constitution. Constitution. What is meant by Constitution? Constitution is a Constitution is the supreme law of land and enjoys special legal sanctity. It is supreme law of land and enjoys special legal sanctity. Now, special legal sanctity means Parliament, whether a Parliament or legislature which passes a bill or else Parliament or legislature makes a law, it should have to made an agreement with the provisions of the Constitution, or else it shouldn't have to violate the Constitution. Or else special legal sanctity. It shortly knows that SLC. Now, in the special legal sanctity, there are three cases according to this. We have know that IT Act 2000. IT Act 2000. What is meant by IT Act 2000? Section 66A. It has been added to this act. Section 66A. Sorry for the inconvenience. In this section, it denotes that a person, suppose me, I had an electronic device such as laptop, palm top, or else mobile phone or a smartphone. With this, we can enjoy or else entertainment. For I simply sat and opened my FB account. That I saw a pitch. I saw a pic, and I simply posted a comment to that. The comment which has been posted by me is caused an annoyance to the other person who had posted the pic. So, in that he can file a case against me because my comment has been caused an annoyance to him. In that case, if any person uses an electronic device which causes sent a message which causes annoyance to the other person, he should be fined or jailed for 3 years. He will be imprisoned for 3 years. It is special legal sanctity. There are 3 cases in the special legal sanctity. One, the recent Shiv Sena leader of Maharashtra has passed away. So a girl, a student, had seen that post in her FB account and made a comment in that. Why should we need a ban due to the death of Bal Thackeray? If he died, we should have to take a ban. She has been commented in a reckless manner, and the comment has been caused an annoyance to the members of the Shiv Sena party in Maharashtra. Members of the Shiv Sena party in Maharashtra. It is one case. Bal Thackeray. Second case is a business person made a comment to our ex-finance minister P. Chidambaram. Chidambaram's son Karthik Chidambaram. Karthik Chidambaram has been caused annoyance to the message. So the businessman had also been arrested for 3 years. This is the cases. So these are the cases. For rectifying these cases, we know that Article 19 Clause 1 Clause A is our freedom to express everything. Right to freedom of expression, speech and worship, faith. So this is our right. So we have to make any comment to others. It's our right. So in this case, Shreya Singhal. Shreya Singhal, a lady which has been preparing for law at those time, she addressed the Supreme Court and asked to Supreme Court whether commenting a post is a right or not. It's a fundamental right or not. Supreme Court said that it is not a fundamental right. In previous cases, 2 members, they have been got jailed for 3 years. She declared that right to freedom of expression and speech is a fundamental right. So we can express our thoughts, feelings to others by comment. It shouldn't have to. It doesn't have been violating the IT Act 2000. So Shreya Singhal said that it is a right, freedom of expression and speech. It doesn't violate the Constitution. It's the act made by Shreya Singhal. This is all about special legal sanctity. Now I will recap it. What is meant by Constitution? Constitution is a supreme law of land which enjoys the special legal sanctity. SLC. In the special legal sanctity, I have declared that what is meant by special legal sanctity and the cases which has been affected to it. Now, Constitution. Constitution is also a document of people's faith and aspirations. Constitution is a document of people's faith and aspiration. So it is also about Constitution. And in this Constitution, we have majorly 3 organs. 3 organs. First one, legislature, executive and judiciary. These 3 plays a major role in our Constitution. Legislature makes the law. Making law. Executive implements the law. And judiciary protects the or else providing justice to the people. Legislature making law, executive implements the law, judiciary provides the people's justice to the people, providing justice to the people. These are the major organs played by it. These all are interlinked with it, with each other. Legislature, executive, judiciary. And judiciary plays an access rule that it keeps the check to the legislature for laws and it keeps the executive check for implementing laws. All the laws and executions which have been made an agreement with the judiciary. This is about judiciary. And finally, judiciary is the guardian of the Constitution. All the provisions which are inserted in the Constitution have been controlled or protected by the judiciary. So this is all about Constitution. And in next video, I will explain detailedly types of Constitution, what is enacted and evolved Constitution, and unitary and federal Constitution. Today's class is this. If any disturbance is caused by me, give me the feedback what I have been said. If any interruptions have been occurred to you, send me the feedback. Thank you, friend.